So here I've already added 3 clips into my timeline. Here you can just arrange them on the timeline in order you want the transitions. And next you can just split the clip for transition. So select the first clip and trim it to where you want the transition start. So I'm going to just split in here. You can click on it and then use the split tool or the scissors icon to cut the last part of the clip. This one's right here, or you can use this one, or this one if you want to delete just the rest of them, like this. And now you can just do the same with the second clip. Trim the first part to match the transitions point. So click on the second clip and now tap on this one. Okay, for the next one, you can click on this one. And then you can just go to where the second clip ends. Then do this one again. So now you can, if you want to, you can tap on, you can add a motion blur for smoothness. Tap on your clips and then go to effects, add effects, and find the motion blur. Okay, this one. Adjust the strength. You can click on the standard settings in here, adjust the strength to how you like it. Okay, now you can just go back and it will be applied. And next you can create a smooth zoom transition by selecting the first clip in here and then go to the move and transform and choose scale. So you can just add a keyframe at the start and then add another one at the end of your video, like this, and increase the scale at the end, just like this. For example, now you'll have something like this. So the video will zoom in. And if you want to add slide or sprint transition, you can select the first clip again and go to the move and transform and choose the position options. Sorry. Okay, this one's right here. You can again add a keyframe at the start and then another one at the end in here and move the last keyframe to the right to make the slide effect. Or to the left. I'm going to just go with the left like here. And that's it. So the video will move just like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.